All right, sis, let's start with some good news. First of all, trade winds are back.
Yay!
I know, super stoked about that.
Yeah.
And more good news, on Monday, Governor Josh Green waived tax penalties and interest for people impacted by Hurricane Lala.
Now, the move provides some financial relief, giving taxpayers extra time to deal with their tax returns while they recover from the storm. The waiver is in effect now through October 20th.
And if you are a current SNAP recipient, don't forget now, if you lost food due to Hurricane Lala, you may be eligible for replacement benefits. And that includes food lost due to power outages or 4 hours or more, or even flooding.
That's a lot of us already.
Yeah, plenty.
Normally, food loss must be reported within 10 days, but a waiver extends that deadline through September 3rd. And you know, while we're talking about SNAP, brother, here's another scam to watch out for.
Oh, boy.
Especially if you use an EBT card. It's called card skimming, and the U.S. Secret Service is cracking down.
You know, it's trippy how quickly these devices can be installed. In fact, they got surveillance video that shows a suspect placing a skimmer over a payment terminal in less than 2 seconds.
How long?
2 seconds.
Oh.
Then the fake reader can capture your card information and even your PIN.
Well, here's something else that's a trip. The Secret Service says a single skimmer can generate up to $1 million in stolen funds.
Wow. So here's some ways to keep your card safe from scammers. First of all, inspect the payment terminal first. Take a few seconds before inserting or swiping your card. Look for a reader that appears loose or crooked. Also watch for damage or unusual gaps on parts of the machine. Yeah, just make sure that it looks pono.
Absolutely. And you know, before swiping, give that reader a gentle pull. I actually do that when I go to the gas station. You just want to kind of jiggle it just a little bit. You don't have to rip them off. Just be gentle, family, okay? But just definitely check it.
All right, you want to cover the keypad when entering your PIN. A skimmer may capture card information while another device records your PIN, so heads up on that. Check your EBT balance regularly, and finally, tap instead of swiping if you can. By the way, Walmart is finally getting on board